Hey LinkedIn fan! Today's quick tip is all about making a strong first impression. We'll show you how to change your LinkedIn profile picture in less than a minute. So let's start. Open your LinkedIn application on your device. By opening a new page, click on your profile picture in the upper left corner of the screen. Then, on the new page, they will click on your profile again. By opening the profile below the picture with the camera, you will click on the plus sign, where a page will open with two options such as Add Profile Photo and Add Frame. Since we want to put our picture on the profile so that it looks offensive as far as the profile is concerned, we will click on the Add Profile Photo option. Clicking on this option will again offer you two options, such as Take a Photo and Upload from Photos. It's up to you whether you want to post a picture from your gallery or still want to take a picture. By selecting a photo, the application will offer you options to tidy it up a bit. When you're done, just click Save in the upper right corner of the screen, and that is that. You have successfully uploaded or changed your profile picture. Hope this helps. Let me know in the comments below what other LinkedIn hacks you'd like to see. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more career tips and tricks.